Tonight, mama masar mulai rabu citai kusikina.
Ayo, siang di bawah serata kain dua. Siang nang kaya, ini amo nga.
Iya, tikini amo ini.
Siang di dua. Yang ano kurang, yung kita bala.
Bomba ini nanu macikan dong.
Sawala karabama pumuni daw.
My name is Apolonia Tamata, and I wrote the short piece that we have just seen. I also directed it, but the other technical aspects of the production was managed by Michaele Sella. Our Daunivudu for this drama were Damiano Longivau and Ulayasi Taoi. So the play tries to tell the stories of the people who live in the village, who are affected by the rising sea level, climate change, and all the impact in the society. So too, the talk of relocation, displacement, and moving to a new site, and all the things that ought to be considered when a community has been asked to relocate. As we see with the older generation, they have to think about so many things when there is talk of relocation, which includes their Ndela Niabu, their indigenous knowledge, their cultural knowledge of what they hold dear living in the village, in the communities. And that includes, building of a house, the ceremonies, the language of certain root crops, their food sources, and they have to think about what food, what are they going to plant and eat if they relocate, because they have been used to living in that particular community. So the play tries to voice the people's thinking as they have been asked to relocate. So this is the first showing here at FESTPAC, the Festival of Pacific Art and Culture. The second showing will be on Saturday, 15th of June at 4 to 5 in the same place, room 310. That will be our second and final showing before we return to Fiji, and we will have a few showings in Fiji when we return.